This is the Auto Sleeper's Warwick XL. Now we have, I think I'm right in saying, filmed one of these before, but there's been a few changes, so we're revisiting it. And the first thing to mention is this rather funky new design of the van here with this new grille and the big Fiat logo. That looks really cool. I like that. That's changed the appearance quite a bit. This one is 6.36 meters long. It's 3,500 kilograms, so it's a standard car license for this one. But yeah, that is a pretty cool looking bit of kit, isn't it? It's the Fiat 2.2 litre engine, 140 horsepower. And we'll take a wander around the outside and I'll show you a couple of changes on the inside as well. So we've got the cassette for the toilet here. We've got the built-in leisure gas system on this one, so that fills there. 240 volt power can go in here, as you can see. And that's your water tank filler. And I'm not sure what those are. Ah, shower. Yes, there we go. Excellent. Well, it's worth reading the label, isn't it? There we are. Very smart. Got the high level brake light, got the reversing camera tucked away underneath there as well. Yeah, there she is. Let's go and take a look inside. Awning on this one, so that's a very useful feature, and there's also a light above the door. That's what that strip along there is. Yeah, pretty cool in the white, isn't it? Let's head on in and we'll see what else I can show you. So that slides back like so, and then this is the step which at the prod of this button here would appear magically for us. Worth mentioning, there's a lift up section here, so if you want a bit of extra work top space, you can have it. That's the cranking handle for the awning. And if we head on in, this again is all new because we've now got the screen here, which I think I'm right in saying is satellite navigation, as well as the entertainment and bits and pieces. You can have manual or automatic transmission. This one, as you can see, is on the manual. And again, this is all changed. We've now got the screen here rather than the dials. It's all very modern, isn't it? Buttons on the steering wheel for your phone and your volume and your cruise control and all that kind of stuff. And also, we've got blinds. You can see there's one across here that comes up for the windscreen, but also these side blinds down here, so they come out the sides like this. Very good. Swiveling seats, I'm sure you've worked that one out for yourself. Nice pale woods in here, look at this. It's all very modern and contemporary. Other changes then, the headlining. Check out this headlining. That's very, very smart, isn't it? And we've got new illumination built into the skylights in the ceiling. You can see it here as well. So all of these have got the illumination on the side of it. That's all new. We've got the smoke alarm up here as well. There'll be a carbon monoxide alarm here somewhere, I'm sure. And then up here, this is very, very interesting because, oh, hello. We've got the new Combi Neo system in this. And it is, as long as you've got hot water, no, I'll try it again. As long as you've got water, then you've got hot water. It's not like the old systems where you'd have a small amount of hot water in a boiler and then once you use that it's gone and you have to wait for it to heat up again. These, once it's up to temperature, keep on giving you hot water, and it will give you washing up temperature water in 3 minutes and shower temperature water in 8 minutes. It's super, super quick, and it's controlled from here. So the Truma system is here, and we can go into this unlock screen like so. You might be able to see there's the app on here as well, so you can control this from a distance from your phone, and you can go into putting your heating on and all that kind of stuff is all in here. Just come back out of there. But this one is interesting because this is the control system for the vehicle. If we hit home, we can go into power, for example, and you can see here now the leisure battery, which is on charge at the moment. We've got the vehicle battery, and you can see the amps that are being used. You can see the loading on here. That's really, really nice. If we come out of that one, we can go into the water system here, and it gives you levels. We can come out of there, a water pump as well can be turned on and off. That gives you your internal and external temperatures and humidity and so forth. Really complex system for a camper van. That is excellent. I like that a lot. Good. Okay, what else can I show you? We've got the kitchen here. This for a camper van is a good size because, as I mentioned, we've got the lift up section here, but we've also got a big area of work surface there. Don't always get that, of course. And then we've also got a proper 3-burner hob and oven and grill like so, which again, you know, quite often on camper vans you'll only get a hob. That's the proper thing, isn't it? Big drawer underneath there as well. A lot of storage about the place actually, which is great. Cutlery drawer in there, and of course your sink is this one. And you get more up here. That's the draining board that goes next to the sink. We've got a little plate holder here as well. Fantastic. And if we come on back down the vehicle now, you'll see that we've got the dining area here, or lounging area. There is a freestanding table you can put in here. I'll show you what that is in a minute. But you've also got the little coffee table style thing here as well. But these have also got sections underneath here that will slide out. So you can pull these out and use these backrest sections. So these come across, the backrest sections drop in. That gives you then a double bed right the way across here, which is excellent. But also there's storage down underneath here as well. More stuff in there. You can see we've got the over carpets. These are all wrapped because it's brand new. Of course, this all comes off. This stuff is just protecting it. And the back doors here as well. These windows, they've all got blinds on them, so they come up like that. And you can see here as well, blinds like so on the side windows. These I like, these little lights here, which you can turn on and off, little reading lights. You can actually take these off and move them around to wherever you need them and pop them back on, and away they go again. That's rather clever. This is all storage up along here. And you've got your little glasses holder there as well. It's very Auto Sleepers. They always have that somewhere on Auto Sleepers. That's the carbon monoxide alarm at the back. I knew we'd find it somewhere. More storage down this side. I mentioned the skylights, but they're a good size and they're opening. And again, blinds to come across those, and a bug screen if you put it that way. And this has got power sockets here, so 12 volt power and USB power. So if you want to put a TV on there, you can do. That's all rather good, isn't it? But the other thing that you might not expect, oh hang on, I'll show you this as well before we get ahead of ourselves. This one is a big hanging locker. That's very, very nice. And that's where that table that we saw will go. It clips into there, the one that's in place at the minute. So you can get that out of the way. Yet more storage down here. It's pretty good, isn't it? It's a big camper van, this one. But yeah, the thing I wanted to show you particularly is this, because it's actually got not just a separate loo, but in there a separate shower. Check that out. That is luxury in a camper van, isn't it? So you've got the doors here that come across to close that off, and that's a proper little separate shower area. Let's put a light on, shall we? There we go. That is very, very smart. Lovely. And having come right to the very front, I will show you that that is where the freestanding table is. So very helpful if you want to have dinner in here. You've got a lot more table than the one that's currently in place, but also because it's freestanding, you can take it outside and use it for a picnic or whatever outside as well. I think we've covered it, haven't we? I think that's pretty comprehensive. Just trying to think if there's anything that I have missed. We've got power sockets here, so we've got USBs, and we've got the 240 volt when you're plugged into 24 volt power. That's for your kitchen roll underneath there. Oh, microwave. There was something else, I knew it. So as well as the conventional oven down here, we've got this one here. Forgot to mention as well, this heating system works off of either the 240 volt or off the gas system. So you've got that wherever you are. Brilliant. I think that's it. Okay, let's trundle back out. Take a last look at the outside. And I think we'll call that a wrap. There we go. That's a smart looking bit of kit, isn't it? Huge thanks to Auto Sleepers for organising that tour. Huge thanks as ever to you guys for watching it. Let me know what you think of that one, and we'll catch you on one of these real soon. Take care. Bye bye.